Hi, it's Paul here. This is day 4 of the 100 Days of Code challenge. I'm not going to have a time-lapse video of me coding today, so I thought I'd just do a little recording. So I woke up stupidly early this morning, 5 a.m, not intentionally because I didn't actually have to be up for anything at all today. So I put in roughly 2 hours of coding on Python this morning before I got out of bed. The joys of owning a laptop, I suppose. And the coding that I done today was just working on a personal project of mine, which is to do with cryptocurrency. So this morning I just went through some cryptocurrency API documentation. I implemented get calls on APIs from 4 different cryptocurrency exchanges, and I've got as far as passing some of the data from those APIs with the plan to be comparing the currency pairs across all the exchanges to find out which currency pairs can be traded on all 4 exchanges. Once I've narrowed that list down, I will then go through and get the real-time pricing for those currency pairs to see and then analyze if there's any potential for cryptocurrency arbitrage. At the moment, I don't have any plans to program automatic trades or even take any trades. I'm just interested to see the outcome in the difference of rates, etc., and sort of time delays between the exchanges. So it's been quite an interesting little project so far, and it's actually come from, I saw a job posted on Upwork while looking for, not actually looking for Python jobs, but seeing sort of what the market is like out there. And I saw that somebody wanted a cryptocurrency arbitrage bot, and that sparked my interest a little bit, so I thought I'd have a go at creating my own. So there'll probably be more videos on that in the future. What else have we been up to? So the Udemy video tutorial series is going well. A lot of it seems to be sinking in, and I'm not a huge fan, I must admit, of video tutorial series, but I really want to get the fundamentals of Python down and in my head before I move on, so we're going to carry on with it. I'm not sure, I've already done a couple of hours coding today. I've got quite a busy day doing other stuff, so I'm not sure if I'll get any more done, but my plan is definitely to work all the way through the Udemy course. I did do a quiz on MySQL, just to sort of see where, or if I had any knowledge gaps there. I mean, I know I do. I know I need brushing up. I mean, the quiz, I think it got like 84% or something like that, but answering quiz questions and having things flow freely out of your brain into a keyboard is 2 completely different things. So it's good to know that the knowledge is in there. I just need to be able to get that knowledge from my brain into a computer, which is a large part of everybody's problem. So yeah, that's it for today, day 4 of 100. I'm not finding the daily commitment all that difficult. I'm enjoying the coding, I'm enjoying the learning, whether that be from the Udemy video series or from sort of Google research and implementing and making code do things that I want, like I've done today with the APIs. Pulled the APIs, converting them to JSON into lists. I have no idea how to compare 4 lists against each other, but that is probably something that I will have a look at this afternoon. If you do know how to do that, please comment in the link below. You'll save me a lot of time. I have 4 different length unsorted lists in Python that I want to compare against one another, so that is probably going to be this afternoon's learning exercise. But that's it really for day 4. I want to try and do a little video of some kind every day, even if it's just a time lapse of me sitting at the computer coding. I've also now started documenting everything in a blog. If you want to go and check that out, it's about paulc.co.uk. All my YouTube videos are there, but the descriptions are generally sort of like a bit larger about what I've been doing. So yeah, I hope everyone else that's doing the 100 Days of Code challenge is having fun and enjoying themselves. Keep yourself motivated, and have a good day, guys.